STEPN cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, in a sort of significant way. We here in a real sense will give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for STEPN, GMT, which is very huge. The STEPN sort of has in practically no time sort of acquired kind of extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested, and looking through the inquiries like explicitly is STEPN, GMT, a by and large wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Is GMT by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030 in a significant way? How kind of high could STEPN at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the STEPN expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized investigation to essential pretty past cost outlines. STEPN past value examination. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of STEPN, GMT, is 62 cents, and GMT truly is right now explicitly positioned number 100 in the genuinely whole crypto market. The flow supply of GMT is 600 million, with a market cap of $369,248,871 in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the stepn's cost has shown a for the most part great increment of 4.63%. As of now in a very large manner. From certainly most recent 7 days the STEPN was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 42.29%. GMT has shown areas of strength for extremely potential, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and explicitly contribute. In any case, after the contrasting the ongoing cost esteem and especially beyond 30 days cost history, it in every practical sense is seen that STEPN truly has expanded 28.52% in its cost esteem. The fundamentally normal truly lease cost for the 1 month most certainly is 42 cents, while certainly greatest extremely normal cost in every way that really matters was 44 cents, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin by and large is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul in an especially huge manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is around 34.34%, and the cost basically coursed from an exceptionally least typical worth of 38 cents to genuinely most extreme essentially normal worth of 40 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days, which is genuinely huge. In most certainly most recent 4 months, STEPN certainly has shown a developing pattern, which especially is very huge. In this way, we feel that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of STEPN in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, which explicitly is very huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin is up by 38.59%, with the greatest kind of typical cost of the coin was around 40 cents. And the base in every way that really matters, normal value of was around 37 cents in sort of beyond 4 months amazingly. STEPN value gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We essentially anticipate future GMT cost expectations STEPN conjectures by applying pretty profound pretty fake learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of STEPN. We essentially give a valiant effort to generally gather most extreme verifiable information for the GMT coin, which explicitly incorporate different variables like past value, market cap, volume and more in an especially huge way. Assuming that you are looking to in every practical sense, put resources into digital money market, make a point to especially peruse our forecasts, which really is genuinely critical. STEPN value expectation for 2023 as per our figure, in 2023. The cost of STEPN basically is supposed to for the most part reach at a very least value level of 59 cents incredibly. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest worth of 66 cents, with the especially normal exchanging cost of 65 cents, or so they generally thought. STEPN value expectation for 2024, according to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, The cost of STEPN especially is anticipated to especially reach at an essentially least worth of 88 cents incredibly. The GMT cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $1.09, with the typical exchanging cost of 90 cents, which generally is very critical. STEPN value figure 2025-2026. The cost of STEPN in every practical sense is anticipated to fundamentally reach at a kind of least degree of $1.23 in 2025. The STEPN cost can truly arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.49, with the truly normal cost of $1.27 all through 2025, which explicitly is very critical. The cost of STEPN fundamentally is generally anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of $1.77 in 2026. The STE, according to our discoveries, the GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.01, with the exceptionally normal gauge cost of $2.61. GMT value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of GMT, in 2028, the cost of STEPN in a real sense is estimated to truly be at around a base worth of $3.65, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The STEPN value worth can especially arrive at an especially limit of $4.39. With the typical exchanging worth of $3.76 in United States dollars, which explicitly is very huge. STEPN value expectation for 2029. The cost of one STEPN, GMT, most certainly is supposed to sort of reach at least degree of $5.22 in 2029. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 6.45, with the typical cost of $5.41 all through 2029. Or so they certainly thought. STEPN value expectation figure for 2030, according to the estimate and truly profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of STEPN is supposed to, for the most part, reach at an especially least value worth of $7.51, which by and large is genuinely critical. The GMT cost can basically arrive at a most extreme value worth of $9.25. With the truly normal worth of $7.78 incredibly. STEPN, GMT, value expectation for 2031. The cost of STEPN is supposed to reach at a sort of least worth of $11.33 in 2031. The STEPN cost could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $12.98, with the typical exchanging cost of $11.64, all through 2031. STEPN value expectation for 2032. STEPN cost in a real sense is figured to arrive at a least genuinely conceivable degree of $17 in 2032, which for the most part is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme truly conceivable degree of $19.74, with the really normal gauge cost of $17.58.